Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. If you're considering a personal loan, Oportun is one app that might catch your attention. But is it worth it? Let's dive into what the app offers and some key details to help you decide. Oportun is a personal loan app that provides loans ranging from $300 to $10,000. One of its standout features is that it doesn't rely solely on your credit score for loan approval. Instead, it looks at alternative data, such as your payment history and banking information, making it accessible for individuals with little to no credit history. The app offers flexible repayment terms, usually between 12 to 46 months, and it reports your payments to credit bureaus, which can help you build or improve your credit score over time. However, there are some important things to consider. The interest rates on Oportun loans can be relatively high, with APRs ranging from 26.9% to 35.99%. This is much higher than what you might find with traditional bank loans or credit cards, so it's important to be aware of the potential costs. Additionally, Oportun charges an origination fee of up to 8%, which can reduce the total amount you receive from the loan. While the app can be a solid choice for those who need a loan but have limited credit history, the high interest rates and fees mean it's essential to carefully review the loan terms before committing. If you have other borrowing options with lower rates, you may want to explore those. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or other inquiries, please email tutoriallorebiz@gmail.com.